Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the Android 10 update of Xiaomi Pocophone F1. So let's watch.
Friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, after a lot of waiting time, Xiaomi is now rolling out the Android 10 update to its one of the greatest smartphone, which is Pocophone F1. The update is stable and officially rolled out for Pocophone F1 in all over India. The update is being rolled out with MIUI 11. The update is available for both users, which are running stable MIUI 10, as well as those who made the jump to the MIUI 11 stable beta. Besides the new major OS version, this update also includes a few small fixes to the notification shade, scrolling screenshots and game turbo. The update is available through FOTA, and you can also manually update your phone by flashing the Android 10 firmware on your Poco F1. The update file size is about 1.9 GB and comes with January security patch. So friends, I hope you will like the video. Subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Like and share the video. Peace out.